How to create your first project in Jira. It's simple. Jira is a project management software which development teams use to make things more productive and more on faster pace. How can you create your first project in Jira or create a simple project in Jira? You can go to Jira account, log in. If you're first time, you'll have to answer few questions about your role, team, and stuff. You know already, right? What's your next? Now, first step is creating a project, choosing which template that you want to use in project. Jira will recommend some templates for your project based on your answers. You can select one or click on explore classic templates. Totally up to you. Now, additionally, a new Zen and classic templates slightly different features to find the perfect template your team. You can click on what's this and stuff. Now, just find your project theme. Now, once you decided your project template, click on select to apply the template to a new project. Now you have to give your final project name. Make sure the name should be meaningful. Now you can start adding issues and customizing your Jira project. Now you can, if you want to create multiple projects for different teams in Jira, you can just click on Jira icon and left navigation menu and screen the application. This will take you to the Jira your dashboard. On Jira dashboard, click on the project. Now you can create multiple projects and stuff. So this was how you can create projects on Jira. It's simple and very easy.